everybody, thank you for coming to the video. Today I have a request for BTOB and it is Blue When It Rains, and so I'm excited about this because the person said that they have the best vocals in K-pop. So I think when people sing very pretty and nice, it is a very wonderful and I love it. So I can't wait to watch this. So we'll go ahead and get right into it in 1, 2, 3. That sounds familiar. Like an American song. Or Western. It's changing now from the song I thought. Ooh. Oh! I like the rain. Oh. Wow. Whew. Wow. What the heck? That was awesome. Jeez Louise. I cannot believe that. That's like the best thing I've ever heard. Wow. Oh, thank you for requesting it. Jeez. That was awesome. Wow. Well, if you have any other requests, leave them down below. And thank you for who requested this. That's amazing. I'm gonna have to look up some more, that's for sure. And like and subscribe. And thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.